Ryan Gass here, PTP Gun, and today I'm going to show you the disassembly and reassembly of this Canik TP9 SFT. So the first step of taking apart any firearm is going to make sure that the firearm is unloaded. So we're going to go ahead and drop the magazine, get that out of there. Going to go ahead now and pull the slide back and lock it to the rear. All right. Make sure that the chamber's clear, magazine well is clear, and it's good to go. From here, it actually takes apart very similar to the Glocks. All right, from here I'm going to actually pull the trigger. Then I'm going to pull the slide back just a little bit and pull down this takedown lever. It's on both sides. Pull it down and release the slide from the frame. Get the frame out of the way. Then we're going to go ahead and compress the spring and spring guide. Get that out of the place. And then also get the barrel out. The barrel will come up and out like most other barrels, but this one has a threaded barrel on it, so I have to get this thread protector off to get the barrel up and out. I don't have the tool on me, so I'm not going to do that right now. But with the barrel out, then you'd have your slide, you would have your barrel, your spring and spring guide, and your frame. From here, you can do any type of maintenance or cleaning you may need to do to the firearm, and once you have that complete, then you go ahead and reassemble. From there, we would go ahead and drop our slide back into place, put our spring and spring guide in, and you're going to compress that a little bit, and it's going to get caught into the bottom of that barrel. We're going to turn back upside down, right side up, and we're going to have these notches on the back of the slide. We're going to match them up with the rails on the top of this frame. We're going to match them up. All right, and once they're matched up, we're going to keep them matched up, and we're going to pull them straight into the rear and let go. I'm going to go ahead and do a functions check. I'm going to pull that trigger, pull the frame back a couple times, pull that trigger again. All right, reintroduce the magazine. And when you pull back and you're not messing with the slide lock at all, you can lock back that slide, right, and it is ready to go. That is now the disassembly and reassembly of this Canik TP9 SFT. And for more videos like this on taking apart and putting back together handguns, rifles, and shotguns, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also find us on Instagram at PTPGun as well as on Facebook. Thank you all again for tuning in. Appreciate y'all, and remember to stay safe and train to survive.